On my computer, there is a directory called pcDuino3, and under that directory, I have the Phoenix card, which can be used to create production SD. And there is another character called Phoenix Suite 1.0.6 that's used to flash the pcDuino3 through the OTG USB port. And there is a kernel file, and there is a kernel file with LVDS support. Under the Ubuntu system, there is a file operation system for Ubuntu. We're going to use a Phoenix card to create a bootable production SD card. Click Phoenix card and scroll down, look at the Phoenix card. Okay. Computer, I have a SD slot, and make sure that please don't use that because it cannot support to write the bootable structures. So I'm going to use SD USB card adapters. The disk is D, and the image file you can see is A20 kernel live suite. Now let's hit burn. Okay, we are done with burn of the production SD card. Remember, this is just the kernel part. USB flash drive. We're going to format it as a FAT32 with just one partition. Click OK. Okay, format complete. Now, download pcDuino3, Ubuntu. Let's copy these two files to the USB SD card. The SD card to the SD slot, and unplug and plug in again the power supply, and we expect the LED, the TX, to be blink like that. That means the SD card is flashing the NAND. We wait until the TX LED stops blinking. That means the Linux kernel has already been burned. Now let's wait. Okay, it stops blinking. Let's remove the SD card. Power cycle it again. Now let's look at what's showing up on the screen. Remove the SD card and boot again. It will asking for the updated address from USB drive disk. Now let's enter it. Unplug. Let's plug USB flash drive. Okay. Let's say take about 8 minutes to finish. Let's wait. I will just flash the pcDuino3S with the latest image April 30. Now let's see. Some customers are complaining that Arduino IDE flag crashes. Now let's bring up Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. So wait. File. Samples, pcDuino basics, linker kits. Let's bring up LED examples. Now let's use a built-in LED pin, which would be 13. Now let's hit the upload. It will compile the sketch and will bring up a console and then run on pcDuino3 itself. So it's compiling, uploading. Okay. Opening GPIO failed. It failed, so we need to manually load two modules: sudo pod probe GPIO sudo mod probe ADC. Okay, this will load the GPIO and ADC drivers, and then let's hit upload run again. So it's combining sketch. Okay, no error message again. Now let's look at the pcDuino itself. You can see the LED is blinking.